Okay, today I'm going to be grilling some lobsters on my grill. You know, you can steam these lobsters. I like steaming them for 7 to 10 minutes. That's when I'm cooking maybe 2 or 3 lobsters, but today I've got 5 lobsters. And I'm going to start cooking the lobsters with their head side down first. And what's going to happen is I'm essentially using the Weber grill like an oven. And it takes about 30 to 40 minutes to get them cooked. But I'll be cooking them halfway down with their heads face down first. See, the good thing about the Weber grill is it's got a lot of space. So when you have this many lobsters, you're able to cook them like this. And I like, and now I've got the cover on. So we'll open it up in another 15 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna flip over the lobsters now. It's only been 15 minutes. So here's what they look like after 15 minutes. You'll see that they're starting to change color to that red. And what I'll be doing is I'll be flipping them over like this. And I'll cook them for another 15 minutes in this orientation. I think, one thing I wanted to point out is I'm using the indirect cooking method. I've got the charcoals on either side of the grill. And the reason I'm doing that is because these lobsters actually start exploding their juice if they get too hot. So I used to cook them right over the charcoals, but that was a bad idea because the lobster juice would come out and would actually kill the charcoal. And you don't want that because you want the charcoal to continue cooking. So you'll see that the charcoal remains hot. And these lobsters are gonna turn bright red in another 15 minutes. I'm also gonna be cooking some eggplants on the side of the grill. Okay, it's been a total of 35 minutes. We're gonna check the lobsters now. So here they are. Oh man. Here are the lobsters. And compared to steaming, it takes a longer time, but I like keeping the lobsters medium so that they're nice and juicy inside. And also, compared to boiling, if you boil lobsters, what you'll find is that they're overcooked, so the tamale ends up getting overcooked and dried. Here, the tamale will be nice and soft, and we eat it with white rice. So. Okay, so here's the lobster that's been cooked, and I'm just going to show you how it comes out medium. You'll see that the tamale is cooked, but it's still moist and juicy. And the inside of the head is filled with tamale, so I'll be eating that with rice. And that's the difference of what grilled lobster looks like versus steamed or boiled lobster. It's awesome. Okay, so this is the head. This is how you open it. You just put a finger right in there, and it opens up all of this tamale. Yeah, and that's the way the tamale looks like. It's great to eat with rice. There's the lobster tail. Awesome. So as Filipinos, we eat the lobster with rice. We have the tamale, and instead of lemon butter sauce, we actually use white vinegar with a little chili in it. And the way I grilled it in the grill, it keeps a lot of the flavor in the lobster, unlike when it's steamed or boiled. That's how I grill lobsters on the Weber grill. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I've got other cooking videos on my cooking playlist. Thanks.